Hello everyone. Today let's learn direct and indirect speech. If your friend says, I love chocolates, and if I repeat the exact words, I would say, she said, I love chocolates. And this is direct speech. But if you don't have to tell her exact words, but tell the meaning of it, you would say, she said that she loved chocolates. This is reported speech or indirect speech. Think of it this way. Direct speech is like taking a screenshot, and reported speech is like explaining what is there in the screenshot. The golden formula. Let's learn the easiest formula. Choose the reporting verb, usually said or told. Remember the golden rule. Said plus no person. She said that. Told plus person. She told me that. Examples. She said, I am tired. Now change it to reported speech. She said that she was tired. Or she told me that she was tired. Remember, when told is used, you use a person. Notice, told must have someone after it. Never say, she told that. Told must have someone after it. Say, she told me that. Step 2. Change the pronoun. This is where most students go wrong. For example, take a sentence. Now, take the sentence, I am unhappy. Who said it? John. Who is the I? It is John. So, John said that he was unhappy. Another example, if two girls are speaking to each other, they said, we are going to Delhi. So when I report it, I should say, they said that they were going to Delhi. Remember, direct to indirect. I, he or she. We, they. Mine, his or her. Our, their. She or he. Us, them. Always ask who is speaking and then change the pronoun accordingly. Step 3. Back shift of tenses. This is the most important part of reported speech. If the reporting verb is in the past, the tense takes one step back. So let's follow this table. Direct speech and reported speech. Present simple, past simple. Present continuous becomes past continuous. Present perfect becomes past perfect. Present perfect continuous becomes past perfect continuous. Past simple becomes past perfect. Past continuous becomes past perfect continuous. And there is no change in past perfect or past perfect continuous. Future continuous would become would be. And future perfect continuous would become would have. Please note the table, take a screenshot and preserve it. It will be handy when you practice changing direct speech to reported speech. Now, let's practice. For example, I want to live in a big house. Reported speech, she said that she wanted to live in a big house. Example 2, I am writing the script for this video. Reported speech, she said that she was writing the script for this video. Example 3, note the back shift. I have finished my breakfast. She said that she had finished her breakfast. I cleaned the bathroom. She said that she had cleaned the bathroom. Example 5, I had finished my homework. Notice that in past perfect, the tense does not change. Step 4, change time and place. Most students forget this step. These are called time expressions, direct and reported speech. Now, then, today, that day, yesterday, the previous day, tomorrow, the next day, this year, that year, a year ago, a year before, here, there, this, that, these, those. Then, at that moment. Let's practice. I met him yesterday. She said that she had met him the day before. I'll call you tomorrow. She said that she will call me the next day. I'll call you tomorrow. She said that she would call me the next day. Direct. I bought this dress here. Reported. She said that she had bought that dress there. Easy. Reported questions. Questions are slightly different. Don't use quotations, don't use question marks, and don't use exclamations. Instead, use asked or wanted to know. For yes or no questions, use if or whether. Example, will you help me? She asked if I could help her. Notice will becomes would, me becomes her, you becomes I. Now let's go to the most important part, the common mistakes that students always make. She said me? No. She told me that. Second, she told that. No. She told me that. Third mistake, forgetting the tenses. She said she is happy. Wrong. She said that she was happy. The fourth mistake is forgetting time expressions. Today should be said as the day before. The most important mistakes, forgetting the word order. He asked if I did work from home. He asked if I worked from home. Let's revise the 4-step magic tricks. First, select the reporting verb, said or told. Then change the pronouns. Step 3, back shift the tenses. Step 4, change time and place words. That's it. If you practice 10 sentences every day, then direct and indirect speech becomes very easy for you. If you found the lesson useful, like it and share it with a friend who's preparing for interviews, IELTS, school exams, or even improving spoken English. Subscribe to Speak to Rise Academy, where we simplify English, make it very easy and convenient to learn and practice and help you speak fluently. Don't just speak English, speak to rise.